Greetings to everyone. I am Asharya Vashish
And I am Kashmi Sharma.
and today we are going to explain a very simple method to study mathematics using these practical models. So I am going to explain the set theory using this visual representation of a Venn diagram. So a set is a very important thing in our day-to-day life and it is a collection of well-defined distinct elements. So the three major topics in set theory are union, intersection and difference. So represented by the red light is the union, which shows the combination of both the elements of set A and set B. Green light represents the intersection, which means the common elements of set A and set B will be represented together. And difference is represented by blue light, which is further categorized into two types, A minus B and B minus A. So, A minus B will show only A, which means it consists of the elements of only set A that are not present in set B, while the B minus A will show the elements that are present in set B that are not present in set A. So, for further explanation, Kashmi will step forward.
The problem was deducted in junior classes while dealing with linear equations in two variables. So I have made a program that will solve their problems very easily. So let us first understand what is linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables is a relationship between two different variables. The standard equation is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, where a and b should not be equal to 0. This equation cannot be solved algebraically, so there is another method to solve it, that is solving it graphically. By solving it graphically, at lower classes, one has to substitute different values of one variable in order to get the value of another variable. This process contains many difficulties that were faced by the students. Like knowledge of one point was not sufficient, as infinite number of lines may pass through a given point. And while finding the value of another variable, the value came in fractional, which was very difficult to plot. So my model is visualizing linear equation in a very easy manner. In this only, the student just has to put the coefficient of x and the coefficient of y and the constant, and the matrix will display the x-intercept and y-intercept respectively. Now, for example, let us take an example: 3x plus 2y is equal to 6. Here we can see that the matrix display x-intercept as 2 and the y-intercept as 3, which means that the line will pass through these intercepts, and all the points that are lying on this line will satisfy the equation and hence are all the solutions. Thank you.